Hey friends, if you wish to fix 504 error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video and understand the problem first. So usually this error is either with the server of the website or the website does not exist at the first place. And the URL may exist, the website does not, and that's why you get the bad gateway error, else you would get a different error. But to confirm this, try opening the website on a different computer. Let's say the website is booking.com, then try opening it on a different browser. The next solution is to fix the date and time. Now, how do you fix the system date and time? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now, go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select date and time and then turn the switch off for set time zone automatically and set time automatically, and then click on sync now. The last solution is to check the server status of this website. Now we have a lot of websites like down detector. Is it down? I will simply use down detector because it's free of cost, and then check this website on downdetector.com and then click on search. So if you don't find anything related to it, then you can check for it on a different website, and usually you'll find something for popular websites like facebook.com. So that is how you can check whether your website is down or not, or if it has a specific server status, like Facebook has its own server website. So Facebook server status, it's managed by Meta. You can check it directly from there. So it mentions about outages on its website, right? And even more, you can always check for it on downdetector.com. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.